Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first of two. We only have two things to show you, but lots to tell you, so stay tuned. This is Agatha Road. It is by Fig Tree from Moda. It's a little bit like an ode to All Hallows Eve, which was a few years back, with some repeated prints there from Moda, or some repeated printing, I should say. There's a couple of main prints, but a lot of this is kind of your user-friendly other fabric you need, you know? You can focus on these fun little pumpkin vines and then use all this fun other stuff as the additions to your kind of, quote, bigger block or feature fabric. So, who doesn't love a good, like, I don't know, it feels fall to me instead of Halloween, which I like. And then, our only other thing today is by Marcus Fabrics. This is Pineberry Cabin. So you have your little cheater print there. This would be great for the front or the back of a quilt. And then we go a little more traditional with the dark colors here. So if you're more of a traditional gal or you have a cabin, I feel like that would fit in really well. So those are our two new lines today. We are getting pre-cuts of the Agatha Road. They're just not here yet. So stay tuned if you're looking for a pre-cut. Otherwise, you can get your fabric now. There is no show this Sunday, so no question. Although you can still comment, you know, like, hi, how are you? And you can still share the post too, so that other people find out about us. But a couple of things we want to mention. The All Ohio Shop Hop is starting August 1st. It is all of August and September. They have a new fun engagement program this year. And a new giveaway. Instead of the fabric block, it's going to be a card that has, each shop has a different block, and you can, it's a pattern, you can make that block. So we have a fun little thing we're doing with that. Our block is really cute. And then they have an engagement thing with a little, you know, there's Elf on the Shelf. Well, it's a little bunny. It's Hopper on the Shelf. I didn't bring her. We haven't named her yet. Name suggestions. Give us name suggestions for the Hopper on the Shelf. But you can take a photo with it and then enter to win prizes and all sorts of fun stuff. So we'll hide her each morning and you guys will find her and everything. So that's really fun. If you haven't gotten your magazine for the All Ohio Shop Hop yet, you still can do that. Or you can come in and buy it in the shop as well. So let's see. Also in August, we are going to be launching a block of the month. It's not totally made yet. I'm working on it, okay? It is going to be patriotic themed because we have our 250th birthday of our country next year. So if you are a block of the month gal, you can look forward to those details in August. Okay, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.